So you're thinking about making a move right here to Van Alstyne, Texas. We are out here today in the next boomtown, Van Alstyne. We are about 15 minutes from downtown McKinney, 25 minutes from Frisco. So a lot of people think that this may be too far out, but we are right off of Highway 75 in the brand new neighborhood called Rolling Ridge. Now, this is going to be a Cambridge Homes community and Cambridge Homes only, but it gives you another affordable new construction option, which is needed more than ever. Van Alstyne is one of my favorite places. They've got an amazing downtown themselves, which is right down the road here. They've got Bill Smith's Cafe. They got a new barbecue joint, pizza, you name it. They have it down there. Parks, they have concerts on the weekend and a farmer's market every Tuesday. So I love Van Alstyne, A-rated school system, and you're right down the street from Van Alstyne High School. But today we're gonna be checking out Cambridge Homes here in Rolling Ridge. We're gonna be checking out the Barrington floor plan, which is a 4-bed, 2-bath home at 2213 square feet at $368,000. So this neighborhood starts around the 340 mark and goes into the low fours. You can get up to around 2,600 or so square feet for just over that $400,000 mark, which is absolutely incredible. You're also gonna be on much larger lots than your normal 40 to 50 lots. These are gonna be 62 wide lots. So this place has a lot to offer. HOA is gonna be $700 a year. You're gonna have pond, walking trails, and just be in a fabulous location. So let's go ahead and check out this community and this model home. So here we are out in front of the Barrington floor plan. It really doesn't look like a whole lot out here, but the inside is beautiful. They do have multiple office spaces set up because they expect this place to be incredibly busy. So a few of the rooms we won't be able to see to the extent of what they fully could be, but you'll get the picture of what this place offers. And I think they offer a ton for the price point. So this, like I said, this community is brand new. So a lot of building going on and not a lot out here right now, but it's gonna be beautiful when it's all complete. You've got fields, trees, everything surrounded you, and once again, a great location. You're gonna have multiple options as far as elevation. You can add stone, different colors and things like that. So it's not gonna be like some of the D.R. Horton communities where you basically don't get to pick anything. So you're gonna have more options. You can add your own touch to these homes and make it your own. So let's go ahead and check it out. Welcome to the Barrington floor plan. As soon as you walk into this home, you're gonna notice it's got a little Perry home feel due to the super long entryway right here. So the actual living area is way down there. I would say like 20, 25 feet. So you've got a nice separation from people walking in the front door. You also have a beautiful modern front door with nice, glass that's privacy glass, but still has that nice modern look. But right at the front of the house, you're gonna have 2 separate bedrooms with their own beautiful bathroom right here. These are the ones that I told you have turned them into office spaces due to the fact that this place is gonna get extremely busy. I think they sold around 27 homes in the pre-sale in the first month. So as you can imagine, this place is gonna go really quickly, but we've got a nice oversized closet and a nice sized bedroom right here. But of course, right now it's a desk room. So just have a good imagination and we'll be in good shape. But favorite thing is this beautiful long entryway, which separates everything, and you don't have people walking right in and walking right into the couch like some people do not like. But you're gonna have a massive dining space, which once again, is kind of an office right now. This is gonna be your selection room if you were to come and build the house. These are gonna be the selection options. They have nice modern touches but this is gonna be able to fit, I would say, an 8 to 10 foot table. So if you're somebody who likes to have a separated dining room, you're gonna have plenty of space to do so. So then we will step on over to the laundry space, which has the nice modern tile flooring that people really like, that I think will stay in style for quite some time. The rest of the flooring is carpet, as well as the luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is what you're gonna see in low and high-end homes because they're scratch-proof, waterproof, and all the above. But this bedroom is similar to the others. I think this is a queen-size bed, so it feels a little bit tight with all of the furniture in here, but it's a really nice, cozy space with lots of natural light. After you pass the majority of the bedrooms, dining room space, and additional storage, you finally get in the main living area. This place is massive. You could have, I mean, you could turn it into a dance hall if you wanted to. There's tons of room in here. You've got a nice size island, and a nice touch out here is that they do have gas, so you don't have to worry about cooking on electric. A lot of the neighborhoods only are electric, so you do have gas and electric options out of here. So if you like to cook, it's a great spot for that. But you got a ton of cabinet space in here, a nice size pantry, because this home is only 2,200 square feet, so not really big, but this room is massive. You could fit a ton of people in here, but beautiful layout. If you like the wide open entertainment type house, this is a great spot for you. You've got an additional place for another large dining room, just like the other one, but this one is gonna be wide open right in the middle. And of course, your living room space. Really cool light. If it had light bulbs in it, would be awesome, but there's not any right now. But you're gonna have windows throughout this entire wall right here, and a nice open. You can see all the way to the front, and it feels a lot bigger than it actually is. But nice modern touches in here, the floors, everything, and I think it flows really well. Now we enter into the last bedroom of all, the master suite. That's gonna be in the back right corner of the house. I'm sure it could be flipped as well, but you've got a beautiful king size bed, elevated ceilings with the surround sound, can lighting, which is a nice touch. Most places just have a fan or one light right here. So you got tons of light in here, as well as your two oversized windows overlooking your oversized backyard. So a nice size master bedroom, nothing crazy, but a beautiful space, especially for the price. And right off of there, you're gonna have your master bathroom with your double vanity. You actually have a soaker tub, which is a nice touch. A lot of these Cambridge homes only come with the shower. So this one's gonna have a soaker tub, as well as your walk-in shower, of course your toilet, and a nice size walk-in closet space right here. right, now we are out here in the back patio space. You've got a nice little covered patios, definitely not huge, but a lot of homes in this price point don't come with any patio whatsoever. They'll give you a little bit of concrete square and nothing else, but at least you've got a nice covered patio. There's probably options for bigger covered patios and other floor plans, but once again, your 62-foot wide lot when most lots nowadays are 40 or 50, so oversized lot. Amazing price point, a lot to offer as far as location goes, and I think this is the next boom town. But I want to say that Rolling Ridge and Tinsley Meadows are the new communities coming out here. So Tinsley Meadows is going to be similar to this one, but a little bit higher end finishes, taller ceilings. So as soon as that model home is completed, we're gonna be checking that one out as well. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're looking to buy in here or anywhere in the DFW Metroplex, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. So make sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'd love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Hope to see you around town.